One cable opens up a world of possibilities with ports and connections. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I want to talk about ports and connections. We have the brand new MacBook Pro with Touch Bar and USB-C, which means it only has USB-C. Now, I've been getting used to it. It works pretty well because I'm a pretty mobile worker, but when I want to sit at my desk and use my big Dell monitor and speakers and all these other peripherals, wouldn't it be nice to have just one wire you plug in and it gets everything? Let's check it out. Maybe that's exactly what the OWC Thunderbolt 3 dock does. So, I'm going to plug in one connector. And this actually is great because not only will it now power the screen, there you go, the second screen, and the speaker, and my microphone input now is working. I have an external hard drive plugged into the dock too, and it gets power. So all of this is working. I could even have a keyboard plugged in or a little tablet if I wanted to work with it. All of this works super easy with the OWC Thunderbolt 3 dock. Super cool. Let me give you a close-up. So on the back, you can see here we have 4 USB 3.1 plugs, an SPDIF output, FireWire 800, Ethernet, dual Thunderbolt 3, a mini display port, that's how I have the screen hooked up, and power. It does have its own power. There's a lot going on inside this little device. And on the front, you can see here it has an SD card reader, nice, finally, and audio in and out. I have speaker plugged into it, but you can do more with it. You can use it with a microphone. Heck, you can use a standard Apple like an iPhone headset, and that would give you a microphone and speakers. Now you're ready to rock and roll with Skype. Easy. And finally, another USB 3.1 port. So super handy, and I love that I plug in one plug and boom, everything's connected and everything's working. Let's double check the music's working. Let's see. All right, so, and that's obviously coming out of this Bose speaker. Now, okay, so obviously you'd probably want to have an even fancier stereo system or audio system. That's cool. You could use it with headphones too, and now you have a convenient jack right there. In fact, you could just leave your headphones plugged in, and then when you're ready to roll, everything's done, boom, you unplug everything and you're ready to go, and your laptop's fully charged. Super convenient. Now, having said that, I just want to say that this is not an inexpensive item. So, the Thunderbolt 3 dock runs $299 at macsales.com. Now, it's, you know, a really substantial piece of hardware. It's solid, it's heavy, it's got a, you know, real heft to it. It feels like something that's going to be running great for years. So, it's a bit of an investment, but I would definitely tell you that you should check it out. And if you have either the MacBook that has USB-C, because it has, you know, some other stuff too. No, actually no, the first gen MacBook only has a single USB-C wire and nothing else. That's a little crazy. This one, the MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, actually gives you 4 USB-C. So here's the reality, is that I can plug everything in here. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. I can plug everything in, use all of this, and I got 3 more ports open. So if I have something else that I want to have on USB-C, I can do that too. So I really, really like this. It's a bit of an investment, but if you have a setup like this and you want to be able to conveniently get started and conveniently pull it and walk away, then the OWC Thunderbolt 3 dock is definitely a sweet option. So, it's Dave Taylor. I need to get back to work, so I'll catch you in my next video.